One day after the sinking of the Russian warship in the Black Sea, we are receiving new data about the sinking of the huge Russian landing ship Novocherkassk in December 2023. The thing that's not changing is the attitude of the Russian state towards the victims, who are once again left without compensation.
At least 37 Russian sailors were reportedly killed when the landing ship Novocherkassk was destroyed in December 2023. However, only one has been confirmed dead, and the rest are still officially missing, leaving relatives without compensation. It was previously reported that at least 77 crew were on board, almost all of whom were either killed or injured by the initial storm shadow strike on the ship, or the huge explosion that followed about 10 minutes later. A Russian analysis of the Ukrainian attack on the large landing ship Novocherkassk on the 26th of December has listed 38 fatalities, 29 injured, and extensive damage to harbor installations and other onshore properties, as well as the effective loss of the ship. The ship was reportedly under repair at the time. A source says it had been used for a couple of months in different ways, including not for its intended purpose. It was packed to the brim with an unspecified secret cargo, allegedly Iranian kamikaze drones. The Novocherkassk has since reportedly been removed from its berth in Feodosia and will be cut apart. This will enable the Russian military authorities to remove the bodies of those who failed to escape the explosions. DNA samples were taken from relatives in January 2024. However, this is expected to be a slow process, taking up to 6 months. Only one sailor has been declared dead so far. The rest are still officially missing. One relative says, "Every parent thinks that their child was able to survive. Therefore, we still have hope that he is somewhere, maybe someone is helping him, maybe he is unconscious." 4 more missing men have been named. 24-year-old Alexander Kolotvinov, 19-year-old conscript Kirill Korf, 19-year-old Vlad Yaremenko, whose girlfriend is trying to find him with the aid of fortune-tellers, and 23-year-old Dmitry Bryakin from the Saratov region. The secrecy around the fate of the Novocherkassk sailors is not unusual. It took months for the casualties of the cruiser Moskva to be declared dead. However, it has serious financial implications for their families, who get no compensation in the meantime. A Russian T-72B3 explodes north of Marinka. The 46th Air Mobile Brigade destroyed several pieces of heavy equipment in the Marinka direction. Among them are BMPs and tanks. Russian armored vehicle destroyed in the vicinity of Avdiivka. Destroyed Russian KAMAZ 63,969 Typhoon K armored vehicle destroyed near Avdiivka. Meantime, Shoigu is forced to spread its delusions. During a meeting with his comrades from the Ministry of Defense, he said that Ukraine lost over 23,000 people, both killed and wounded, as well as over 3,000 weapons in January this year. Russia also claims Ukraine is hastily carrying out forced mobilization under a crippling front to prevent total collapse. He didn't say where is the Chief of Staff Gerasimov, though. Alive, dead, wounded, felt from the window? We still don't know.
Начну с обстановки в зоне специальной военной операции.
Ukrainian border guards who returned home from Russian captivity finally get the chance to hug their loved ones. Russian propagandist Solovyev attacks Russian women who want their mobilized men to return home. He says these women are not worth their husbands. They get good salaries, Solovyev continues. What more could you want, he wonders.
Еще тоже не нравится. Значит, появились какие-то тетки, которые имеют наглость говорить от имени ребят, воюющих на фронте. А вот их мужей можно послушать? Тетка говорит, вот моего верните домой, чтобы что? Чтобы сделать что? А воевать кто будет? Пушкин? Или она просто хочет, чтобы всю страну подняли? Тоже вариант. Но нужны люди подготовленные, умелые, поэтому да, это дважды герои. Да, поэтому и платят много. По российским понятиям, там, существенно выше средних зарплат в регионах. Да, мужики герои, да, они выполняют свой долг. А ты достойна своего мужа, который воюет и родину защищает? Вот он патриот и герой, а ты кто?
Thank you for watching. This was latest video from Warthog Defense. I hope you like this video. We are following the situation in Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.